Windows 11 changed the screen timeout settings. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Navigate to Windows search icon at bottom left and type in settings. Now click on open at right side once located. Once you're on the setting panel, you need to navigate to the left sidebar and select system. Here you need to scroll down, click on power and battery. Scroll down and look for the option of Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts. Select that. Now here you can easily find out the timeout for logged in or on battery. So you can easily select Turn my screen off after and set the duration of your screen timeout. Also, here you can easily choose the screen timeout for Make My Device Sleep After or Make My Device Hibernate After. Also, while on the battery, you can choose the options and then change the screen timeout on Windows 11. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.